The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a Bitcoin Daily Show, 9:30 Central European Time on the dollar, give or take. We do Bitcoin Daily technical analysis. No, this is not Bitcoin Daily. Wait. Here we go, Bitcoin Daily, to know what's gonna happen. We are in a rising wedge, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen, right? So how's everybody doing, by the way, guys? TLR, roll that intro. There is no intro. That's it. Late 1 minute. I'm not late, man. I'm on the dollar. Always on the dollar, give or take. 1 minute late, boss. Michael, please. Michael, please. You know. Let's see how the poll went. Next 24 hours, up, down. 46% says up. 54% says down. 89 votes. Undecisive. Lockdown in New Zealand, nice. So maybe we're gonna pump then, bro. First of all, look at 6k sold in Bitcoin. Secondly, we don't have C wave yet, and CoinSkid ABC pattern is too optimistic. The moon phases than RSI. Have no clue what you said there. You just said a whole bunch of stuff, man. Then the rising wedge broken downside. Finally, all rookies think we are going to the moon. So from my point, expect at least 35, even 30, 32k touching it. But yeah, you know, we've been saying, like, we are writing targets to the downside. You can see it, 44,000, 40, 38,000. We are looking for downside. We don't have targets up here, right? We don't have targets up here. These are targets, so we almost kind of feel it like we're gonna go dump. So right now we are looking like we are dumping out of this wedge up here slowly. So we're gonna see. Let's see how it goes. RSI looking good. Michael, where is my TF fan club badge? Russ, yeah, where's your badge? Michael? Russ, let's check that out. Because, you know, we gotta give the man the badge. It's not there. Memberships. Let's see. Russ Wheeler. Yeah, where's your badge, Russ? What's up? Yeah, what's up? Where's the green name? Russ Wheeler should be there. He's a member. I don't know. I'm gonna message YouTube and ask him, hey man, my buddy, this Russ guy, he doesn't have the green name. I'm gonna fix your green name. No problem, man. I'm gonna fix it. But, you know, I'm gonna fix it after the show. Representative sample. Yeah, 89 to, yeah, you know, 46% up, 54% down. Yeah, representative. Small dip or a big crash. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. So as you've seen in the title, the volume is kind of crap. So, you know, the volume is crap. It's been crap ever since down here. You know, here we pumped a lot, and ever since up here, you know, we just, even though we have these, you know, like this, you know, overall it is crap. So this not definitely, you know, the volume is definitely not looking good. A planned black swan event. Yeah. Price going up, the volume going down. That's not a good thing, because when the volume is going down, it shows that the interest in the price going up is, you know, lacking. So, you know, the people are not really interested in seeing the move to the upside. You know, the volume is kind of dying out. You know, people don't want to, you know, put more money in to push it up here. I think it's unrealistic. I think the, you know, probability is the downside. We are hugging this 200 moving average down here. Let me just for a second remove this one. We're gonna come back to that line, but there is this 200 moving average up here. You can see here for now 3 days, 1, 2, and 3 days. Even this 4 day today, right now we're standing above the 200 moving average. So there is still chance that we are actually getting support down here. There is still chance that we are getting support on the 200 moving average, but we have to bounce. We have to bounce, you know. Bounce is important. 44,424. Once we are past that level, I think it's probably game over for this rally to the upside. Don't want to fall below 44,400. We'll see that. Also, for this move to the downside, this is where we are right now. So I think if we fall below this level here that we are at right now on the dollar, we are on the dollar on that level. You see here on the dollar. If we close below here in 22 minutes, if we close below down here in 22 minutes, that might just indicate lower low, which is actually bad. I think that's the first time. Well, here we had also lower low, you know. This is also lower low. Maybe this, you know, this one still can save us. This, you know, if we drop down here, we still got this 4,400, right? So we'll see. I won't say that it's that bad, but you know, you know, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. So you know, this is the first level. You know, we start breaking that, then you start going down here and start breaking this, then you start breaking this here, and before you know it, you're down at 40k. You're down at 40k. Either way, I'm not quite bullish right now. I'm kind of lacking a little bit bullishness, especially since we are breaking down on this rising wedge up here. You can see it on the 4 hour a lot nicer. You can see that we broke down. Technically, we hold it here. Right now, here we broke. I don't know if this is kind of a retest or what this is happening right over here right now. It kind of looks like some kind of retest. You know, try to get it back up there. You know, it went down. Try to get back up there. Right now, failing. So this might already be some kind of retest already on this wedge. Maybe we drew wedge a little bit differently than other people are drawing it. Maybe it should be something like this up here, and then you have. And then you have this retest, right? Then you have that retest. That might be it. Also, it is pretty nice line. It is pretty nice line. You know, see here. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you can see this. And then you know, support and then bounce. Try to get it above. You know, it is nice line. It is nice. So right now, even this line, we actually broke the downside. But I like my wedge. I like my wedge. So I'm gonna keep the wedge. This is some kind of retest on something, you know, whatever. And right now we are looking for 44,400. If the 44,400 actually holds, you know, we might actually bounce here. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. But you know, to go to the 60,000, 70,000, 100,000, 200,000, so forth, you gotta get above this high up here. 47,800, something like that. Either way, not very optimistic. The volume is totally bogus. The volume is right now killing this price movement to the upside, I think, because ever since up here, you know, when it start pumping, you know, the volume has been declining, especially here in the last part up here. The volume has definitely been declining, but overall you can also see like entire move up here, you know, the volume has been declining volume. I wish there was a way to normalize this, I like, you can put moving averages on moving averages up here, but it's not the same. Maybe we can change the move. Can you change the moving average inputs? Moving average length, okay. Small length 10, long length 50. It's not that good. It's not that good. I don't know, guys. I'm just waiting for a drop to the downside. I'm just waiting for a drop to the downside, 44,000. See if the 44,000 will hold it. Yeah, I'm waiting for this. If you know, if you start breaking this level down here at 44, I'm looking at 40 or 38. After that, if we go below there, then I'm looking at definitely below some 30 levels. Below some 30 levels. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think. What did you hear around the YouTube? You know, what are people talking about? Till I'm gonna buy back in when 38, that might happen. I'm gonna, you know, the thing is, this move up here was predictable. You know, we are waiting for some levels. It was predictable. Unfortunately, you know, and you know, we hit our targets like 44, 45, 6. This was the target area, right? So we are right now technically expecting dump below the 38. So if I was to buy 38 pounds up here, 38 pounds, something like that, 40 pounds or 38 pounds, I need to be convinced for, I mean, I need to see some kind of, you know, support holding here to actually get in. Because right now, I'm still bearish. Unfortunately, I'm still bearish. PHP, do you see a massive falling wedge in the daily? Massive falling wedge that is faking out. On the daily, massive falling wedge. Okay, let's zoom out. Maybe we're gonna do it on this one over here. Let's clean up everything. Massive falling wedge. When you see a same massive falling wedge, are you thinking something like this up here? Massive falling wedge. Because when you say massive, then I'm thinking something like this. I don't know how to draw the massive falling wedge, unfortunately. I don't know. You gotta give me some numbers, man. You gotta give me some numbers. You don't have to, you know, donate again. Just give me some numbers. Like from this state to that date, the top from this state to top to that date, and then from bottom to this state to top to bottom to that date. Then I know what kind of, you know, falling wedge we are talking about. 10 years BTC won't exist. Mary, I don't think you're correct on that one. Why would it be gone? The volume can come in 1 second and huge pump. I don't know why you're bothering. It's certain that we will be at 1 million BTC in 10 years. Oh, in 10 years, sure. Today, tomorrow, no. Yes, it won't exist or 1 million. Morning, sir. How high can we go this week? Mostly Wednesday and Thursday coming big moves. I don't think we can go that high, man. I think we are going to go down and not up this week. Unfortunately, I think we're going to go down and not up. Bro, ultimately, do you think we had a reach C wave? I do not know, you know, I don't do Elliott waves. You know, we can try doing Elliott waves because I know people like, you know, you know, nice waves. But I like to do Elliott waves on the weekly time frame. So, you know, where's the sorry, not the left shoulder, the Elliott waves. I don't even have them up here. Here are patterns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nice. Everybody's using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why wouldn't we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 and 5? So everybody knows this, right? And now what people are saying is that what people are saying on ABC, they are saying that ABC is A, B, C. So we are finished right now. That's what they are saying, right? So the hopium on the Elliott waves right now is A, 38,000, 2, then, you know, because third move is always biggest move, like some kind of 50 move, then, and then 200,000, right? That's the hopium. That's what people are saying about on Elliott waves. I don't even have to know it. I know that, you know, that's the hopium. That's the Elliott waves count. That's how we are gonna reach 200,000. Now, I don't think the ABC pattern is, you know, I don't think the ABC pattern is the one. I don't think that's, I don't think this is the ABC pattern. I think the ABC pattern, this is A, this is B, and right now we're gonna get the C way or whatever way, right? Something like, where is it? 10,000, give or take, 12,000, 30,000, 40,000. Let's put that here. That's ABC level, and then we're gonna go again, you know, after a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? Eventually. Now we are at the end of the B wave. So it's there are because I think everybody agrees on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know, right now. But you know, the ABC is, you know, people are still arguing, you know, it's either this one, you know, it's either this ABC pattern, but you know, moon boys, people who wants the price to go up, they are saying that's the ABC. Now other ones that are more bearish, they are saying this is ABC, right? So I think this is more correct ABC wave than the other ABC wave, you know, but that's why I don't do Elliott phase, because you know, you have to, you know, assume a lot of stuff to figure out ABC wave. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily, have to wait for the candles to close. Are you sure, man? I haven't seen it. Hidden bullish divergence. Oh yeah. Here, Alif, I'm gonna teach you something now, man. I'm gonna show you something. So that's very nice that you noticed that. Now here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. Although this divergence, when you're watching the bottoms, you're watching the red candles, not the green candles. It goes something like this, right? This is hidden bullish divergence. You can see here the price going down. The problem here is that this is not even right now. It does look like it is divergence. So if it stops here and starts going up, you know, that's gonna be a bullish divergence. The problem with RSI, it's a lagging indicator, so we do not know, we don't know whether this is gonna be divergence or not until it's actually played out. So that's the problem with RSI. There are cases where, for example, the price does something like this and then goes way down, while the RSI does something like this and goes a very little down. So we are already some kind of overextended level, and we are already seeing that even if it goes even more down, it's gonna be really hard to break certain levels down, or RSI levels. And those are the only times where we can trust RSI that, you know, this is eventually gonna be a divergence, you know, and we can, you know, think about you know, we can think about the upside. This will eventually be the divergence. The problem here is it doesn't have to take a lot to break down, break the bottom here to actually, you know, correct this hidden bullish divergence. And as long as we don't have two green candles in a row, technically this isn't divergence. Technically this isn't a hidden bullish divergence. So, and by the time you get two green candles in a row, it might already be played out. Okay. So here's another example. I'm gonna zoom in right now on the 4-hourly. Here's another example on the 4-hourly, where the price is going up and the RSI is going down on the 4-hourly, right? So even here on the 4-hourly, there is a hidden bullish divergence. Unfortunately, even though we had pump here today, if we close below this level, this red line, on the red, you know, the hidden bullish divergence will be finished, but we don't know yet until we get at least like two green candles up here, two green candles, to actually say, okay, this is hidden bullish divergence, and then it's going up. But you know, but by the time you get two green candles, you are already maybe corrected the move. So these small moves are really hard to figure out, especially when they're so close. When they're so close to the line, they are really hard to figure out whether we're gonna drop below or not. Even if we do not drop below, next candle might drop below, and that candle will invalidate this as well, right? So next candle up here might actually invalidate, you know, or create a price going down, and everything will be fine. All be good, right? So the divergences are really hard to figure out, and by the time they play out, they're already finished. But there are actually times where the divergences are so big that even though you can sense that price has to fall so much for actually the correct, that we assume it won't correct, and then it's gonna go in the other direction. But these small divergences, they're really easily corrected, and by the time they're corrected, it's a lagging indicator, and then you know, it's already played out. But good call on noticing that there is a, you know, there is a divergence up here. These are bigger than the 4-hourly, you know. These are bigger than the 4-hourly, but still it's not big enough that to think that one you know, daily dump down here won't actually correct this really fast, you know. And that's not much. That's not much. That's like 3-4% for a day, you know. It can happen pretty quick. Tether has printed a lot of funny money. That's their job, man. They print funny money. Considering hash indicator, maybe we'll go lower than 20. I'm not sure which kind of hash indicator, but I know that people have been talking about hash ribbons, and the buy signal, and the buy signal has actually hit turned buy up here. So we're gonna see if this doesn't do this and continues doing that. I would like to, I don't know how the hash ribbon works. Let's see here. Let's see what it does. The spring is the confirmed minor capitulation period. The first gray circle is start capitulation. The last green circle is okay. So just inputs. What kind of inputs? Ribbons, oscillator, length 30, short time, length input 60. So you get 30. So short length, short simple moving average, and long. So you get 30, 60 moving average. Input true, plot signal, plot halvings. True, raw input false, raw hash rate. Okay, let's see here. Security. What does security do? Close gaps. Look, higher on TV is only yesterday's value. Use look ahead on when running live on current bar to pull forward yesterday's data. Oh, he's getting that data from somewhere. Hash rate. He's getting hash rate. Okay, he's getting hash rate from somewhere. Daily time frame. MGT. Yeah, too much to look into. Can you check the EMA ribbons? What are EMA ribbons? EMA ribbons. There is no such thing as EMA. Maybe this one. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing that the moon is using. So he would say, yeah, we can go down here. What's that? Some kind of 40 levels. Get support on the hash ribbons and move up, because when you're above the hash ribbons you're bullish, you're getting support, and then when you drop below, you're below it, and then you're above it, got support here. So down here at the 40k should be some kind of support based on the hash ribbons, of course, if you believe in the hash ribbons. Now unfortunately they do jump a little bit up, down, below, in a strong trendy markets they do fine, but everything does fine in strong trendy markets. Then you got strong trendy market to the downside, but sometimes you get up, it go right back down again. It happens. What more can we conclude? Even this switch from the red to the red does not mean that let's go more back in time up here where it's not actually. Let's use this one up here and see if let's see if down here if the MR ribbons are actually legit or not. You can see here we broke the MR ribbons. Looked like we are gonna hold them and then failed. So we can always get this. I think this is the most likely scenario that's happening right now. Big pump to upside. Everybody thinks bullish above 200 moving average. Bullish weekly MACD cross. All of the bullishness above MR ribbons. Buy signal hash ribbons. Like everybody gets super excited and then bam. It can happen. So this is the second time you went above it, the hash ribbons, you go up there and then you fall back down again. So the hash ribbons do fail quite often. So right now, just because you're above the hash ribbons, if you don't, right, you can say the support is around 40,000, but if the support fails, you go down. If the support fails, you go down. XRP 80 cents and then we'll pump again. You think? I don't know. From what we did some, I think 89 for XRP, 94, sorry. Do you see the stimulus being released in the US affecting BTC? No. CK says there is no rising wedge because a rising wedge is too steep. He's looking at ascending triangle in hourly. Rising wedge be too steep. Well, first of all, let's remove these ribbons. Ribbons. Are we gonna? I don't see the triangle. I don't see the triangle. That's the problem. There are only 2 touches here, there's nothing. Nah, I don't see it. I don't see it. If he sees it, he sees it. The first wave should be from the bear market bottom, 3.1. Your count only breaks down the third wave. The first wave should be from the bottom, 3.1k. So you think on the weekly time frame that we should be counting from down here. This is 1, and this should have been 2. This should have been 3. This is 4, and now we're going for the 5. Is this the you know, this the, you know, do you have any pets, TLA? Yeah, I got you heard them, right? Sorry, gde si naučio TA? Na internetu, brata. The first way should be bear market, yeah. Bro, the real meaning of hash indicator is not buying immediately and going to the beach. If you look at a hash, you can usually see it means we will not go lower than our previous lowest low. Of course we will. There has been times I actually did that. Wait, I gotta go back in time. I think I gotta go back in time more. Wait. Come on. No, where am I? Okay, let's go back in time. I think I gotta go way back in time. Okay, I think I went too far back. I think this is enough. Nah, it's not here. Doesn't matter. Let's pull out the hash ribbons. Hash ribbons. That is the hash ribbons that everybody is watching. You can see that right now hash ribbons have like 50 billion views or something like that. Let's remove everything. Hash ribbons, 10,000 views because everybody is totally into hash ribbons right now. So, you know, whatever. Right here, you say it won't go down, right? You say it's just gonna go, it won't go below this level. That's what you're saying. It won't go below this level, right? It won't go, it just go here, right? Okay, cool, man. Cool, nice. Cool, very cool. Let's see here. We are already below the level here, so you know your theory is actually failing. Your theory is actually failing. Sideways. This one went up, nice. And here theory is still failing for a second time. We go down. So, you know, it's failed already. I think your dogs are hungry. I think they just heard the mailman or something like that. Those hair ribbons are junk. Yeah, we're gonna see how they work out. I'm not really excited about them. I'm not the most excited guy about the hair ribbons. TLA, I need to go to a meeting. Are we going down then? I think we are going down, unfortunately. I think we are going down. I think there is more probability to the downside than the upside. Now, if we bounce to the upside, it's gonna be nice. But right now, I think the downside is more legit. Maybe this is the triangle that, you know, they say that Koinski is looking at. I mean, it can be. It cannot be this triangle up here. It's not this one. It's a bigger one. It's probably using these bottoms down here. Yeah, something like this should be that. So maybe it's but either way, this trend line up here, maybe it's head and shoulders. No, it's very bad. It's not head and shoulders, because if you look at here on the daily chart, this was nice head and shoulders. Small, big, small, right? But here we got small, bigger, bigger. You know, it's climbing. It's not a you know, small, big, bigger. So it's not head and shoulders. It's not head and shoulders. Unfortunately, not head and shoulders. You know, he's trying to fake out and return back to the pattern. We'll buy if we go. We'll buy if we go down. Depends. We gotta see how it holds the support. If it holds the support, maybe. When a new moon is already in effect, you know, it is giving us some hard times. The new moon is giving us some hard times. Let's see here, moon phases. It tried to push us down. I went a little bit soon. We still got until 22nd August. 22nd. Where is 22nd? This is the new moon. Sorry, the full moon. So, you know, we can still, you know, drop down and confirm the moon phases. That can still happen, you know. So moon phases haven't failed us yet. Is there any RSI divergence? Not that I think the divergence is right now correcting, or let's see here. There have been divergences, but I think they are correcting. There is some, you know, Elliott point out there is a hidden bullish divergence up here right now. That might be it, but you know, if you drop down here, it's just going to be corrected as well. It's too soon. Also, we're getting the bearish MACD cross. The momentum is falling down while the price is going up. So I think there is just too much bearishness right now to push the price up. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Big cup and handle forming on XRP weekly time frame. No problem. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop you there. I got stuff to do today, so you know, life. Come back tomorrow, 9:30 Central European time, to see what's happening tomorrow. Today, I think we might. I go a little bit more sideways. You know, we're gonna see, because the drop is taking its time. You know, it's you can see here we closed below 50, then went up to the 1020, got rejected. So I think this is gonna go down, guys. I think this is gonna go down. Unfortunately, at least some kind of 44,000 levels soon. So the way I see it, I think we are gonna go down in the short term. I think we're gonna long term, like who knows what's gonna happen, but short term, I think we're gonna go down. And we already have the targets at 44,000, 40, 38,000. So which of these targets will actually hold or not depends. Maybe none of them holds. Maybe none of them holds, and we actually break 38, and then we are looking below 30,000 and so forth. 20k numbers and stuff like that. That can happen. Never say never. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button on the way out. You know, and that's that. I gotta go make Patreon videos, something like that. Appreciate the videos. Thank you. You're welcome. And the 20 SMA on the daily is coming to meet the price, so I don't think we will have a long pullback. Yeah, the moving averages on the daily. We'll see if the 20 moving average holds. We'll see if this 20 moving average holds when we drop down. That's at right now 43,000. If it doesn't hold, you can see this 50 and 100 moving average all the way down here, right? So between the 20 and the 50 and 100, like here, there are no moving averages on the daily time frame, right? So 38,000, you know, might be in if we start breaking in the 20 moving average. Maybe. Wow, a moon indicator. Mary, is this your first time on this channel? Do you know what this channel is known for? We are the horoscope for men. Thanks again, Tiela. Anyways, guys, you're welcome. Stop by tomorrow, you know, check the channel tomorrow, see what's happening. Bye bye. Where's the stop button?